Hola, soy Sasha with Alma Spanish, and today we're going to be talking about a mindset shift that will help you unlock your Spanish and boost your ability. This mindset shift is one key concept, and that is recognizing and validating your prior knowledge in Spanish. So when I say prior knowledge, I'm talking about a database of latent vocabulary that you have in you and you're not tapping into. For example, food, things that we eat that are of Latin American or Spanish origin, like paella, tacos, burritos, tequila. So I want you to think about these words: salsa, empanada, quesadilla. I'm sure that you know a restaurant nearby where you can get a quesadilla. These are vocabulary items that you already have. When you take that trip to your Latin American country or to Spain, you'll hit the ground running because you already have these words in you. Also, think about music. What songs do you know? Listen to them again. Do you know the song Guantanamera? Do you know La Bamba? Do you know Despacito? Think about the words and the lyrics that you remember, and then listen to that song again. Download the lyrics and learn them by heart and sing them in the shower, okay? That's going to help you with your spontaneity and your automaticity because you will have these chunks already in you. Think about, also think about movies that you've seen, like The Terminator. There's this line, hasta la vista, right? Even if you don't know what the specific words mean, you know that he's saying goodbye, like forever. But he's saying goodbye, and that's the intrinsic meaning of that. So think about any movies that you've seen, any taglines, any quotes that the characters have said. Rewatch those movies. So you already have a lot of latent language in you. So activate the language that you already have and know that it is valuable. Okay, so that's the mindset shift that I wanted to bring to you today. If you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe, and also let me know what other topics you want to talk about. Hasta la vista!